Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use Glide apps. Let's get started. Open your browser and go to glideapps.com. Click sign in and log in with your Google account. This will connect your Google Sheets to Glide. Once logged in, click New App. You can either choose a Google Sheet or start from a template. Select the sheet you want Glide to use. It will build your app automatically from that data. Now you're in the Glide editor. Here, you can change your app's layout, list, grid, cards, etc. Add components like buttons, images, forms, or maps. Customize the design and branding. Control what users can see and do using visibility rules. Drag and drop items to update your app in real time. When you're happy with your app, click Publish in the top right. You'll get a link or QR code that others can use to open your app on their phones. And that's it. You just built a working mobile app without writing a single line of code. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.